Tomorrow's never promised, but now is the time.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, my hair is a greasy mess, and today we're gonna try something new to wash it. We're gonna be using shampoo bars. I'm gonna be reviewing some shampoo bars from Walmart. Yes, Walmart. Walmart has shampoo bars now. You can jump on that ethical, sustainable shampoo bar train from your local Walmart. So let's get to it and I'll unbox these for you. Okay, so these are the shampoo bars from Walmart. I got these at a Walmart market, or well, a neighborhood Walmart, which is like the smaller Walmart, not the Walmart superstore. I got these in like the bath section where they have like loofahs and stuff like that. These were $3.97 a piece, and there were only two kinds at the store that I went to. I'm not sure if they have other kinds. So there is this one, which is the Ocean Waves kind, which is supposed to be for like giving your hair volume, and then there's this one, which is an argan oil one, which is like supposed to like kind of like condition and moisturize your hair. But both of them are shampoo bars, not conditioner bars. So I'm gonna unbox them for you. So I'll start off with this one. Rip the packaging there, that's okay. Okay, so they come with a little tin to put them in, and it says Earth and Body on, or Body and Earth on it, and it comes wrapped in plastic. So let me pull this off. So this is the Ocean Waves bar. That's about how thick it is. It's about, you know, the size, half the size of the palm of your hand, almost the whole size. It looks like it's got these little shredded bits in it, and it's like green and blue flaked. It smells really good. It smells like fresh shampoo and soap. It feels like soap. It doesn't really feel like bad or anything. And then it fits just right in the tin. And you close it. It snaps shut and it is secure, and let's see how easy it is to open back up. You gotta kind of pull it good, so it's a little bit hard to open, but it'll open and it's secure. So I'm actually going to be using this one today with my hair. This is the Ocean Waves one. Let me read to you what it says on the box. So today I'm going to be washing my hair with the Ocean Waves shampoo bar by Body and Earth. It says volumizing formula with seaweed extract and sea salt. And it says reinvigorate your hair with shine and freshness. Seaweed extract adds volume and shine, while fresh lily leaves your hair with a trail of admirers. And it says it's made in China, but it also says it is not tested on animals. So I do believe this is cruelty-free. Nice little travel tin that is hard to open. And you got a little pretty shampoo bar. It smells really good. So we're going to wash my hair with this one, and then I'll read to you about the other one, and I'll do the other one in another video. So the other shampoo bar I got is the argan oil bar. It's this purple bar. And it says nourishing formula of argan oil and coconut oil. And it says a nourishing blend of rich argan and coconut oils will leave your hair locks feeling soft, looking amazing, and smelling fantastic. Again, it says made in China, not tested on animals. And also both of these bars say that they last up to 50 washes, and each one was $3.97. So 50 washes for like $4, I think that's a pretty good deal, and you get the little travel tin to carry it in. So I will review the argan oil bar in another video, so look forward to that video. So let's go and wash my hair. I'll do some little pictures of my hair like before and after I use the bar, and then I'll talk about it. Oh yeah, it suds up pretty well. Okay. Okay, so I washed my hair and it lathered up really well and my hair feels nice and clean. And so now I'm just throwing it up to dry. And oh, it smelled really good. You just kind of have to wipe the bar off after you're done with it to like kind of dry it off some, because it does stick to the tin and you kind of have to slam it down in your hand to get it out. And also the tin, it's a twist on lid, so that's why I was having a hard time opening it, because you're actually supposed to twist it on and off. So I'll be back with y'all when my hair is dry and we'll see how well it worked. So here are my thoughts on the Walmart shampoo bar by Body and Earth. I used the Ocean Waves one today, and I have naturally curly hair. So in the first picture, you'll see that my hair is very oily and very greasy. I'd waited like over a week to wash my hair for this video to see how well it'll really get the oils out, because I usually only like to wash my hair like twice a week, and it did a really good job of that. My hair is a little bit oily kind of at the very top roots, but the rest of my hair feels very nice and soft and luscious. I feel like my roots do have a little lift to them now, so it did add some volume like it had said. My hair feels very clean, it's very soft, it's not tangly. I did not use any conditioner with this. I have very fine, thin hair that gets oily very easily, so I tend to not use conditioner as much. And it made my natural curls look very nice and flowy, nice little ringlets. I'm really happy with my hair. I'm really happy with it. Would I say it is worth the $3.97? Yes. For $3.97 you get the shampoo bar with the travel tin, and it's very good quality. It smells nice. It's cruelty free, and it's supposed to last up to 50 washes. And if you want to travel with that, go on a plane and you don't want to worry about having shampoo spill out and you want to be more like eco-friendly, then I think it's a very good option and it's very affordable. It's worth the price. Stay tuned for my next video where I'll test the other shampoo bar, which is the argan oil bar. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm very happy with my hair. What do you think about it? Will you try these shampoo bars from Walmart? Have you tried them before? Let me know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!